Welcome to Taheri Enterprises, manufacturer and exporter of welding accessories, safety, and industrial equipments. The company was established in the year 2006 at Mumbai. We have spread our wings to Middle Africa and Middle East. Advanced rent division, technical accuracy, and smooth finish are the plus points of our organization. Head protections, hand gloves, and industrial safety shoes are some of our products. We offer safety harnesses, construction nets, and safety ladders that are in huge demand across the global markets. Medical disposables, road, and marine safety products offered by us are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. Our company specializes in offering tungsten rods, welding machines, and transformers. Along with that, we offer Victor, Messer, and Bohr's products that are some of our best-selling products. We are one of the trusted names of the industry engaged in offering genuine quality industrial tools, safety, and security products. To get more information, log on at www.tahereenterprises.com.